Maybe like that. Is it good to eat breakfast to lose weight? Why should I eat breakfast to lose weight? This is a question from YouTube I read. I suggested to you that regularly eating a healthy breakfast may help you lose excess weight and maintain your weight loss. Breakfast to lose weight. Why shouldn't I eat breakfast to lose weight then? I suggested to you too regularly eating a healthy breakfast because it may help you lose weight and maintain your weight loss. More research is needed to understand the connection between breakfast eating habits and weight control. If you're trying to lose weight, it's important to find a good way for you. Eating breakfast may aid weight loss for some people as they stay full all day long. It was been working for me 20 years till now. My eating plan for breakfast pretty clear. My breakfast is more important than sleep 15 minutes. Okay, what time should I eat my breakfast? The breakfast time is the best from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. I eat lots of carbohydrates and protein. Also, I include fiber for my breakfast because it helps me to keep my energy till a long day, all day long. And what is the idea for healthy breakfast? The healthy breakfast should be balanced, of course, and deliver maximum protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, healthy fat, so you can you keep full and filled up for all day. A cup of some berries will be very good idea. Actually, you can make for yourself some smoothie or ice cream. Just put some milk. It's good for preventing weight gain. The best is oatmeal could be because it can help you to lose weight in two ways. First, it's packed with fiber and it keeps you feeling full longer. And second is the eating breakfast. It's a carbohydrate, slow carbohydrate. Yes, and it will help you before gym or exercise because eating slow carbohydrates doesn't spike blood sugar as high as eating forerunner. Carbohydrates are the best. And also it can help burn fat. Also very good idea is yogurt. The main reason to eat yogurt, the protein. This way gives you the extra age looking and you'll be full longer. Protein is naturally filled, taking longer digestion, simple carbohydrates when people eat protein drink. Guys, protein is the best for breakfast, but eating carbohydrates also is very good. In the morning, even don't be afraid to eat too much carbohydrates. For example, eggs also very good source of protein. One large egg has 6 grams of protein and 70 calories. Compared to carbohydrates and fat, protein keeps you satisfied longer. Plus, in one study, people who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller longer and lost more than twice as much weight as those who got the same amount of calories from a bagel for breakfast. For this reason, my friends, let's eat healthy food and don't forget about breakfast. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like that, subscribe, put notification bell, comments, and I'm waiting for you next video. Bye bye.